What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Welcome to my course. Welcome to Rejects Well Club's course conducted by myself, Dr. Martin. Do make sure that you follow us on all our social media platforms. Do follow my Instagram page at dr.martin underscore underscore. That is my social media. Make sure that you follow our Instagram page, our official Instagram page. That is at Regenesis WC, and then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is Regenesis World Club as well. This is the very first video. Well done for making it to our course, and this is a highly technical course. I believe that you will be learning from myself most of the things that we all use in the club to actually start profiting and winning. So the first thing that I will go through with you is trading view. So this is what we analyze from. So all of us literally want to learn how to analyze in trading view. Trading view is a very free platform that you can actually sign up to, create a free account, and then you sign up to it because this is the tool that we use to read our charts and to get to understand where the possible moves of the market can happen. The reason why we're using TradingView is because TradingView has actually more tools that we can use, more tools that we can use to actually understand price action and trace the story of price before we can actually get the next trading opportunity. So let's get into it. So TradingView, you go to www.tradingview.com, create a free account, you sign up. There's a free version, there's a pro version. The one that I'm using now is a pro version. So some of the tools that I do have will not be provided on the free version unless you actually want to sign up for the paid version. So I basically paid for a 5-year contract. This was back in 2018, so I paid for a 5-year contract in 2020 now. I still have 3 more years to go. It's definitely worth it, guys. You can see your charts clearly than any other platform. So let's get into it. At the top left there, you've got your instrument. Whatever pair you're looking at is going to be written there, NAS 100. You can type in anything you want to type in. Over here, you've got the NAS 100 index. This is the 4-hour time frame provided by the FXCM broker. You can put it on the red list or whatever. So the flag symbol determines what kind of a list are you putting it to. So I basically mark out my red list, as you can see on the left, on the right hand side there. If I am interested in looking at that pair immediately, or if there's something I'm actually monitoring on that pair. And again, you've got the hide tool. You've got the 3 dots there. When you click on the 3 dots, some instruments will come through, some options. You do see you can add alert, you can add indicator, you can do all of those. So this is how you can do it. That's open, high, low, close. That's price over there. So you can read where the market actually closed just by clicking there. You can see we opened 93.84, the high is at 94.22, the low is at 93.79, and the close was at 94.10, and that is plus 25 to 26% of this movement. So that's what you can see. At the top there, you've got your time frames, the 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. These are my essential time frames that I use, and how I had them was I put a star on each of them because these are the most time frames that I use. And after that, you've got candlesticks, you've got the line chart, you've got the bar chart. Also, what I did is I did kind of mark them out on this tab as well. So if you do this, you can actually see that you can actually mark them out. I've got the compare tool, which I never use really, and you've got the indicator tab as well. You've got the financials, templates. You can create templates there, indicator templates, so that whenever you come onto a chart, you just click on the template and stuff. And over there, you've got the screen type of a view that you want. So you can have a singular screen, double screen, or multiple screen settings. So that's where you can actually get to find these type of charts. Just a minute, you can find these type of charts where you can tile your charts nicely. So that's where we actually want to tile our charts. And over there, you've got your templates. So these are your layout. So I literally mark this one out. You can say new chart layout, or literally rename this chart layout. Make sure that every single time you use it, this autosave mode is on. And also, you've got settings, you've got full screen view, you've got the camera tool. So that's where you can take a snip content. This is where you can publish your posts after like analyzing, so that the TradingView community can see your ideas. And on the right there, you have what I call a watch list. So on the watch list, you can actually like create different lists. I've got the yen pairs, USD pairs, GBP pairs. I've got the futures. I've got doctor's menu. I've got crypto watch list. Everything. The list goes on, and this is where you can add symbol. If you type in a currency pair, it just comes into this tab over here. And at the bottom there, you've got like news. During the week, you'll see these levels like being they have like a lot of fundamentals coming through. Like you can see that there's like a lot of fundamentals. Euro USD will be up, down today, and whatever. Like you can basically see fundamentals of whatever you're looking at the time. And at the bottom there, I've got my list of tools that I use. These tools were taken from this left tab. So from here, I literally selected whatever I want to use. So I got the trend line, I got the horizontal line, the horizontal ray, vertical line. I've got the arrow tool, I've got the parallel channel from there, and from here I've got the rectangle tool, I've got the fib. Okay, on this mode I literally don't have anything because I don't really use these patterns. And then I've got these two, the long and short position and the price range tool marked out. Do make sure that you follow every single tool that I literally selected on these. So you can literally like rewind the video, fast forward, whatever. Just make sure that your charts literally look like mine. Now coming to your charts, when you're setting up your charts, right click, settings, and then you can go to the setting mode to actually change the color and the theme of your charts. So what I did then is I went to symbol. On symbol, this is where I've got my candles. So on my candles, I've got the green. As you can see, this is how I set up my green, this one, and then I put it on the 85% mode. And then on the red one, I put it on the 71%. So that's the red that I have, and the borders are literally the last one on 100%, and the red is also on the 100% on this one. And the wicks, I made them gray. So this is the fourth, fifth gray on the list of colors. So you can basically choose these colors to basically make your charts look like mine. After that, you can right click again, go to color theme, and then save as. You can save this color theme as whatever that you want. Let's just say this is Regenesis green and red. So that's what we can basically say. So that's Regenesis green and red. So whenever you come into a new chart, you can basically right click, go to color theme, select that Regenesis green and red. That's what I want you guys to know about TradingView. This is an interesting platform, an interesting tool that you can use to basically refine your charts, have the most dopest looking charts, have the cleanest work, and you can basically feel free and feel good as you analyze. This is the end of our very first trading lesson. I'll see you on the next video.